Look, I'm all about the hustle. Putting in the work, non-negotiable. But what if I told you there's a way to make your hustle work smarter, not harder? That's where passive income comes in. Imagine this. You create something awesome once. It keeps generating income, even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about leveraging your skills, your knowledge, your passions, to create something valuable that people will pay for again and again. Think about it. You're already an expert in something. Maybe it's photography, coding, cooking, whatever. Why not package that knowledge into an online course and let it work for you 24/7? That's the beauty of the digital age. So, are you ready to turn your knowledge into a passive income stream? Let's go. Now you might be thinking, Gary, there are a million platforms out there. Why Skillshare? Listen, I'm all about giving credit where credit is due. Skillshare is killing it in the online learning space. It's like the Netflix of online courses, but instead of binge-watching shows, you're binge-learning valuable skills. Skillshare has a massive audience of hungry learners, all eager to expand their knowledge and skills. They've got everything from creative arts to business and tech. Whatever your expertise, there's a community on Skillshare waiting to learn from you. And the best part? Skillshare makes it stupid easy to create and upload your course. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a video editing guru. They've got all the tools and resources you need to get your course up and running in no time. Just focus on what you do best, sharing your knowledge. It's that simple. Okay, so you're fired up about passive income and you're ready to dive into the world of online courses on Skillshare. Awesome. But where do you start? The first step is figuring out what you're going to teach. What's your superpower? What are you passionate about? What do people always come to you for advice on? Once you've got your topic, it's time to outline your course. Break it down into bite-sized modules that are easy to digest. Think about it like a delicious meal. You wouldn't serve a whole Thanksgiving dinner on one plate, right? You'd separate it into appetizers, main courses, and desserts. Do the same for your course. Now let's talk about content. Skillshare is all about high-quality, engaging content. Use a mix of video lessons, downloadable resources, and interactive exercises to keep your students engaged and coming back for more. Make it fun, make it interactive, make it valuable. And most importantly, be yourself. Section 4, content is king, but your expertise is the kingdom. Let's talk about the meat and potatoes of your course, the content. Remember, content is king, but your expertise is the entire kingdom. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert to create a successful Skillshare class. In fact, sometimes the most relatable and effective teachers are those who remember what it was like to be a beginner themselves. Share your personal experiences, your unique perspective, and your practical tips and tricks. People are coming to you for your expertise, so don't hold back. You're building a connection with your students. Section 5. Marketing your masterpiece. Getting seen on Skillshare. Alright, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing Skillshare course. Now what? It's time to put on your marketing hat and get those students enrolled. First things first, make sure your course title and description are on point. Use keywords that people are actually searching for. What problem does your course solve? What skills will students gain? Make it clear, concise, and impossible to resist. Next up, visuals, visuals, visuals. Your course image is the first impression, so make it count. Once you've got their attention, keep them hooked with a compelling course trailer. Section 6. Cashing in on your knowledge, the passive income potential. Here's the exciting part. Once your course is up and running, the passive income potential is limitless. Every time someone enrolls in your course, you earn money. That's right. You could be sleeping, traveling, or working on your next big project, and your course will still be generating income for you. The more students you attract, the more money you make. But it's not just about the money. Creating a successful Skillshare course can open up a world of opportunities. You'll build a community around your passion, establish yourself as an expert in your field, and maybe even inspire others to pursue their own dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step, create that course, and unlock your passive income potential on Skillshare.